What's up, guys? Welcome to another YouTube video, ceiling fan video. This video is gonna be for Blue Boy underscore RBB. He requested this type of video, so and also this video is also for anybody else who likes ceiling fans, ASMR type content with ceiling fans. So without further ado, let's get started. It takes a while to come on because it's on a dimmer. This fan is only pull chain operated, at least the fan part. There's no switch for it. Only switch for the light. So the fan part is hot all the time. You have to shut it on and off with the pull chain. So of course, if the pull chain goes bad, I'd have to cut the power off and replace it, or rewire the rewire it to get the fan and be on a separate switch instead of just the light. Alright, next fan. Alright, next we got the Hampton Bay Huntington 3 in all white finish. And yes, I did that on purpose. I left the fan off on purpose for the ASMR of the pull chain. So hope you guys enjoying the video so far. Now I'm gonna activate the fan. Again, shout out to Blue Boy underscore RBB for requesting this video. If you'd like me to do a video for you and tag you in it, let me know in the comment section below and we'll discuss it. And now time for the Huntington 3 in all, well, in a white and brass finish. This one is not on a dimmer, so it comes on immediately. Yes, I do have the fan switch off right now, so I will turn it on in a minute. This is just for the ASMR. Okay. Activate the fan now. Oops, I turned it on. Oops. Let's do medium this time. I don't know if you can hear the motor noise, but it reminds me of the carriage house. It's got the SMC motor on it. Alright, on to the last fan. Alright, here is the Hunter Alvarado. And yes, I do have the fan off right now. I will turn it on in a minute. Alright, now I'm going to turn the fan on to medium. So Blue Boy underscore RBB, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. Sorry, I couldn't go to the store and pull all the chains and the ceiling fans in the store. But this is the best I could do. Hopefully you like the video. I really like this fan. Like I said, if you have a request for me to do a video for you and tag you in it, just comment below. But other than that, see you in the next video. I guess I go ahead and shut it off. Why not? Shut every fan off. So yeah, like I said, I only have 4 ceiling fans in my house. I got pull chains. The other 2 uh are on remote. Actually, there's one more ceiling fan I can show, but unfortunately my brother is in his rooms and he's busy, so don't want to bother him. But I would have showed off the fan in his room also with the pull chain. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.